Welcome to my channel. How are you today? I'll be making for you today Hausa Koko. It is a Ghanaian spicy millet porridge. This porridge is made from the Hausa Koko flour, and the ingredients are millet, sorghum, ginger, and pepper. Apparently, the brand is called Praise, made with natural raw materials with no additives. It can also be served cold as snack or dessert. And as an FYI, produced by Praise Export Services Limited, Accra, Ghana. I will be using a half cup, and to that half cup I will have to add 2 to 3 parts cold water to mix it. No heat is added at this time, so you're gonna just put the amount of the flour in the container and then put your 2 to 3 parts water. It depends on you. If you want it thinner, then you add a little bit more water. If you want it thicker, then you add a little less water. I use the 3 parts water, cold water at this point, and you just mix it. Make sure that there are no lumps. Then proceed to boil some water. I added about 2 cups of boiled water. At this point it was supposed to start to thicken, but for some reason it did not, so I had to turn on the stove to medium. It should be medium heat, and then you're going to stir vigorously. Make sure you continue to stir, because if you don't stir, I guarantee that you are going to have lumps, and we do not want lumps in our porridge unless we love to eat lumps. At this point, you must not leave the Hausa Koko side. You must remain there, steadfast, and stir, because you do not want lumps. See, there it's beginning to thicken up, and all this happened within about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to bring it to a boil though. You just want to let it sort of simmer, because it gets thick very quickly. Remember to keep it at medium heat and continue to stir. Did you hear that? Continue to stir and do not leave the Hausa Koko side. Remember, I told you, you do not want lumps. This porridge does not require any additional spices. If you wish to add additional spices, by all means do so, but in my opinion, I don't think it required additional spices. And here it is all done. The only thing I added was a bit of salt, even though the original recipe, I think, does not require salt, but salt brings out the taste in anything, any and everything. So I decided to put a pinch of salt in it. I added some evaporated milk, and also I used as a sweetener sweet and condensed milk. Condensed milk makes any and everything just taste so much better. And if you try it, you'll know what I mean. At this point, I'm going to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share, leave me a comment, and like the video, so that I know that if you like videos like these, I'll try to produce more videos like these. And as always, thank you for watching.